Hi viewers, welcome back to the Nibble Bowl. Today I'm gonna show you crispy lemon chicken recipe. It's really crispy outside as well as juicy inside, and absolutely it's a palatable and must-try recipe. So let's take a look at the recipe. For the recipe, I'm taking 500 grams of chicken breast and slicing it from center. Then I'm taking one egg and beating well. Adding some salt to it, then mix it again. Now I'm taking some breadcrumbs. This is the time to dip the chicken to the egg mix, then the breadcrumbs, and keep it aside. And I'm repeating the same with the other slices of the chicken breast. Then I'm taking a pan and adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now it's melt well. Then I'm frying this chicken breast in low flame. Now it's time to flip over. Turn off the flame when the chicken breast got nice browning and crispy outside and transfer into a bowl.
The next step is to squeeze some lemon juice. It's around 1/4 cup. In the same pan, I'm adding the fresh lemon juice. Then half teaspoon of chaat masala. Some chili flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon ghee, of salt, and give it a good mix. The ghee melted well and the other ingredients get mixed together. Now I am placing the chicken. Now I am flipping over it. Chicken absorbs the sauce both sides well and sauce get clear. Now the crispy lemon chicken is ready. Garnishing with some coriander leaves. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and click all options for getting more updates. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.